Hello, my name is Gabriel K, and these are some interesting facts about myself. First is my favorite apps. I use Instagram and YouTube to post videos to my YouTube channel, and the app that I use to edit those videos is Instagram Edits. It has tons of cool features. I use Spotify to listen to my favorite music. Another app I also use is eBay to sell sports cards. This is my favorite YouTube channel called Guppytown Aquatics 500. They post tons of different types of fish like guppies and other small fish. This YouTube channel also does a lot of tours of fish stores and aquariums. My favorite recipe is the Oreo milkshake recipe. For this recipe, you need 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 2/3 cups of milk, 8 Oreos, and vanilla extract, and whipped cream is optional. Now you put the ice cream, milk, Oreo into your blender, pulse until mostly smoothly, and then you can serve it in a large glass. Link to this recipe is in the description. My favorite hobby is fish keeping. I have 8 aquariums, and I have guppies, plecos, platies, and even a mono shrimp. My favorite fish is the guppy in the bottom right corner. I also have planted aquariums. For the question of the week, what is your favorite movie? I have selected Red One. This is my favorite movie because it has tons of action and my favorite actor in it.